Love the slotted headstock. Is the whale your logo?
Yeah, that's Jonah.
Jonah, love it.
I may not keep up with that that logo, but
Hey,
you know, it's a nice way to get some pearl in the guitar.
Yeah. Boy, what nice chunks of mahogany.
The mahogany is about 90 years old on the body.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yeah, a good friend of mine who was a builder had that on hand, and he let me have a couple back and side sets. And
wow.
yep. And then the neck is new, but it's, you know.
Did you craft the neck or?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's all quarter sawn, both the back and the sides and the neck, and then the top, of course. Top came from Canada. A couple guys up there that I like to support because they're doing good work.
I like the kind of hidden flame on that.
It's got some bear claw in it, yeah.
Yeah.
It's got all the medullary rays. They're just, it's perfectly quarter sawn.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
The first strum.
Yeah, sounds good. Just the resonance of this is pretty darn nice.
I didn't tune it or anything, so if you start hammering on it, it might be...
Kind of feels in tune.
Sounds pretty good, yeah.
Yeah. Wow, it plays like butter too. That neck feels great. It's not real thin neck, which I don't like a real thin neck, especially on acoustic, because they think it adds to the tone.
Yeah, I didn't leave it as thick as the Martin would have been. But I know a lot of people like a little heavier neck on acoustic.
No,
I prefer a little thinner personally. The next one will have a little bit thinner neck on it.
Will it? Yeah. No, this feels totally totally
I'm fine playing it. It's just, you know, I go back and forth.
Yeah, I've got
electric to acoustic, so it's nice to have a little faster neck.
I've got a 1964 Epiphone Texan that my dad left me, and great sounding guitar, incredibly broken in. I use it for probably 95% of the recording when I record acoustic guitar, but the neck is so thin.
It's a little too thin.
Yeah. Now I've got a Gibson, which is really nice, but I don't know. I just prefer that old Epiphone. It just sounds pretty darn amazing. I really can't get over the resonance. This thing just, you can feel it in your body. It just...
Something about the 12th fret. Yeah, no, I mean, and it's, you know, I didn't have to build it to survive, you know, battle. Like production guitars. You know, they have to be, they don't want to have comebacks, you know. They don't want to fix stuff, so they build them heavier.
Yeah.
And they still sound pretty good, but they don't sound like that. I'm really happy with the tone quality of that.
This is pretty darn nice, I will admit.
As much as you hate to.
I mean, it sounds good with fingers, it sounds good with a pick. plays great. Try a capo on it.
Alrighty.
If that's all right with you.
Absolutely. And that's an oiled neck. The peg head is gloss with lacquer.
Feels completely comfortable.
The oiled necks, I like those a lot better than the sticky lacquer.
Wow, perfect. And it just booms and it's comfortable wherever you play it. I have to say, very nicely done. Yes.
Great, thanks.
Just so resonant. Very nice indeed. How much do you need out of me? Because I'm a bass player, damn it.
Oh, that's right. So
I don't have endless stuff.
oh, that was probably enough.
Okay.
I mean, yeah.
Because I'm going to run out of bullets here before.
Yeah. No, that's great. It doesn't need to be long.
We could try one other thing too. Just
Okay.
to show do a little versatility on this thing.
Oh, you gonna dadgat it or something?
We're going to do a double drop D.
Okay.
Tuners are rock solid, love it.
So while you're tuning up, the fretboard is ebony.
Right.
The inlays, the diamond inlays, are pearl. The bridge is ebony, pyramid bridge.
Beautiful,
period
yeah.
correct for that guitar.
Right, exactly.
Ebony pins and bone saddle and nut.
Sweet. Just try a little more finger picking here.
was good. That was good.
Give you something to fade out with.
There you go.
That's a tough one anyway. So, but it sounds great. The tuning, rock solid. You know, just dropped it down, and
yeah.
Some guitars don't handle it well. This thing does. This is awesome. This is very well done.
Thanks.
Really sweet.
It intonates really well too, all the way up the neck.
I suspect it does. It felt like even when I was up.
Yeah. No, when you start playing up there, you can tell.
Yeah.
If you play an open E chord up there, you know.
Right.
And
it's
that's where you hear it. If it's not good, that's where you hear it.
Well, let's have a listen to it up there.
No.
This may be, because it's
well,
12 fret.
With the 12th fret, yeah.
Yeah, I won't be able to do that. So. Maybe. Nice. Yeah, 12th fret makes it a little challenge to get into.
A little tough to get up to that one, but yeah.
But that's not what this guitar is made for either. So.
Yeah, well, the thing about it being a 12th fret is that it pushes the bridge farther back on the body.
Right.
And then the body is just a touch longer. And that's tight in a dreadnought case, which is weird.
That is
the body's
weird,
smaller this way. But in a dreadnought case, it's tight, so it's a little bit longer in the body to accommodate for the bridge moving back a bit, and it opens that top up a bit. I think
it sounds phenomenal, really does, and it plays phenomenal. There's a real, like I said, just the resonance. Just when you hit a G field, you can just feel that through your whole body, and that's nice. And it's still doing it, you know. And it's to me, that's a sign of a well-made instrument. So, well, I tip my hat. This is a beaut.
Thank you, Ryan.
I'm definitely going to talk to Kevin and see if he's still looking for a.
Okay, great.
Because I told him it was a slotted headstock and basically an 18, right?
Yeah. It's a triple O, and on the plan they didn't really specify triple O what. You know, I think the 18 has to do with the appointments.
Probably.
On the kind of binding.
Right.
Mahogany
but it is
and
the
screws.
Triple O, okay.
But yeah, triple O slot head, 12th fret. So, yeah.
I'm going to let Kevin know, but hopefully you got enough there to edit together a little something.
We're good.
Without all my mistakes.
Yeah, well, I'm not cutting those out. We'll tell everybody you're really a bass player, and that's okay.
Exactly.
If you haven't seen him on the video where he did a demo on my ES335 bass, check out that one.
Right.
I'll put in a link.
There you go. Yeah,
well, thank you very much.
No,
really appreciate it.
This is sweet.
So answer the question, since you're a bass player, why did you take all the time to learn all these acoustic songs?
Because I actually do a lot of multi-instrument stuff, because I do a lot of recording at home.
So your own recording, yeah. Right.
Yeah, and
so you lay down all the tracks.
You know, I've even taken up keyboards as of late and taken piano lessons and all that, trying to get better on that, and I'm just trying to be as well-rounded as I can. I'll actually forward you a tune I just finished where I played everything. I wrote the music and I played everything. You know, a local girl had given me some lyrics and she sang it, and I just recorded the whole thing in my extra bedroom studio. And,
yeah, cool.
But yeah, I played everything, and And so, and I've always had a penchant for acoustic guitar. My dad was a country guitarist, and he played that Epiphone for years. And,
right.
And you know, I love the finger picking stuff. Like I always wanted to learn Blackwater, and that was a big challenge. But you know, it keeps the fingers going and all that.
That's right.
So yeah, I have a lot of interests. Too many probably. Jack of all trades, master of none. But
you got a few mastered.
But it's all fun.
Yeah,